Get ready to witness the raw power of machines that conquer forests and railways like legends. From the unstoppable grip of the HSM 208F tackling steep slopes to the sheer pulling strength of the Timberjack 230 skidder, these giants are built to perform where ordinary machines fail. You'll see chainsaws slicing through massive trees, grinders turning wood into dust, and harvester heads dominating the wilderness. But that's not all. We're also heading to the tracks, where steam and diesel trains with thousands of horsepower thunder across canyons and mountains. This is where brute force meets brilliant engineering. Let's dive in. First up, the HSM 208F, a rugged timber transporter powered by a 180 horsepower diesel engine. It's built specifically for steep, challenging forest terrain, maintaining solid grip and balance where most vehicles would fail. Meet the Timberjack 230 skidder, packing 230 horsepower and weighing over 28,000 pounds. It's a beast at dragging logs across rough ground, making it a top choice for serious logging work. Next, the Husqvarna 560 XP, a pro-level chainsaw that's light at just 12.57 pounds. Don't let its size fool you. It comes with a 4.7 horsepower engine, slicing through large trees with speed and precision. This grinder means business. The Peterson 5710C runs on a 150 horsepower engine and weighs nearly 49,000 pounds. It's made to crush bark and waste wood into fine pieces, perfect for recycling. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 makes moving timber a breeze with its 35 horsepower engine and powerful hydraulics. Weighing around 1,500 pounds, it's stable, simple to operate, and saves tons of time. The Warata 622B is a true wood destroyer. With 170 horsepower and a weight of nearly 4,900 pounds, it grabs and cuts massive trees easily, even in the toughest environments. Watch the LKT-81 Turbo in action. With 160 horsepower and a towing weight of over 26,000 pounds, it handles giant logs like they're nothing, even on steep, uneven ground. The Tigercat 635D earns its nickname, the Beast, with a 240 horsepower engine and unmatched hydraulic muscle. It dominates demanding logging jobs without breaking a sweat. Union Pacific Big Boy Steam Train. Let's shift gears to one of the world's most powerful steam trains, the Union Pacific Big Boy. It packs a whopping 6,290 horsepower and weighs over 1.1 million pounds. This train doesn't just run, it roars. Dampflok 118 steam locomotive. Even the mighty Dampflok 118, with its 1,500 horsepower engine, struggles when the terrain turns steep and wet. It's a classic, but not immune to tough challenges. Modern U.S. freight trains. Across the U.S., freight trains with double-stacked containers navigate canyons using 4,000 horsepower engines. These titans weigh thousands of tons and still manage smooth rides through wild terrain. AC-44I gasoline tanker train. The gasoline tanker train uses two AC-44I locomotives, each with 4,400 horsepower, hauling up to 480,000 pounds. It's a rolling fortress of raw transport power. High-speed steam trains. Old-school steam trains still impress, some hitting 2,000 horsepower while pulling hundreds of tons. They're a nod to history, but still hold their own on long routes.